day sa inyong tanan, mga inday, mga dodong, kaparintihan, kapuso, kapamilya, may gabi, may unto, may hapon. At kumusta? Here, inday lusing do know what to cook for tonight's dinner. So, mugna, okay? Tadaan! Carrots! Carrots! Sarap, di ba? Carrots with beans, bell pepper, at lagyan ko ng kamuti. Tapos may, ano ba yun? Ginger, may knoblauch, garlic, may swivel, and onion, at lagyan ko ng curcuma. Tingnan natin kung masarap ba, okay? Tapos yung, ano niya, side dishes, or ano ba yun? Basta. Ito na lang, lux fish. Tapos, no rice. So, let us start. Slice, okay? Lagyan na olive oil. Narang Inday losing. Looks healthy. Sana masarap. Vegetable broth cubes. Sounds good. Lagyan natin ng curcuma. Curcuma is healthy daw, sabi nila. So, enough na yun. Looks masarap. Tikman natin. Looks masarap. Yung oil. Masarap. Try nyo magluto. Nasarap yung mugna ko. Tapos na. Looks yummy. Bye-bye. Please, wag niyong kalimutan please naman, follow my page, click follow. At maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. God bless. At mag-ingat kayo. Keep safe everyone. Okay? Bye-bye. Thank you. Bye-bye.